Hey guys, I just want to take the time to welcome you guys to the course and to say thank you for investing in yourself to become better developers and investing in me to teach you what I have learned over the years of learning Xamarin, specifically Xamarin Android. So I look forward to sharing this course with you. I think it's an amazing course that I wish I had when I got started. So please leave me some feedback and let me know things that I could have done better or things that you like about the course, and just open up the communication channel so I could hear from you guys and hear what you are thinking about the course. So in module 1, we're going to go over the app demonstration. So I'm going to show you what the finished product of what we're going to be creating in this course is going to look like. We're going to create the project, and we're also going to set up the project. So with Android, we usually need to add in components into our class, into our project, so that we could utilize some features between different API levels of Android. Hey guys, wanted to show you the calculator app that we will be developing in this tutorial. So this is an advanced calculator. We have our number keys, our operations, and also our trick functions. So though this app looks very simple, there's a lot of stuff going on in the back end to make sure that we are getting the right solution and making sure the app works. So there's going to be a lot of interesting stuff in this tutorial. So I'm excited for you guys to get your hands on it and get started learning some ways that you can master Xamarin yourself. So, okay, bye. Hey guys, so we're going to get started by creating a new project. So we're going to go under multi-platform, and then we're going to select blank native app. And then we're going to write the name, which is calculator app. You could choose whatever location you want by browsing. I am going to put this in a different folder. And we might as well just check use Git for version control. And there we have it. So we have our Droid and iOS project file, and let's get started. So guys, to get started, we're going to set up this project, and the first thing that we need to do is add components to our Android application. So inside the Droid, we're going to go to components, and we're going to right click this, and we're going to click get more components. So it's going to load the component store, and it already had my query, which was support, because we're going to use support libraries. So we're going to need the Android support design library. So go ahead and add that to the app. And then we're going to just get more components again. And support is still searched. And we're going to add a recycler view. And you just agree to the terms and service. So I'm adding that. So up here, it's just letting me know that it's saving and the project has been saved.